Oh yeah, life's better now, they said. Woke up taxed for breathing air. TV's banned unless you share. They sold the coast to Germany and turned the Thames into a fee. They took the heat from pension checks, gave it all to AI sex techs. Now if you're 80, best beware. You owe a surcharge for your chair. It's mandatory misery. We smile in queues for dignity. They outlawed hope in 23. Now sadness is a subsidy. Don't question rules, that's treason light. They'll fine your cat for being white. Red tape's the new democracy. We're governed by pure parody. They made a law, no beans on toast unless approved by Climate Ghost. New migrants ride in golden trains while locals sleep in bins again. They banned applause for mental health, declared that laughter steals their wealth. You need a license just to frown, and kissing's taxed outside of town. It's mandatory. Disagree, you'll mop the House of Lords for free. In today's news, all citizens must wear grey on Thursdays. Illegal smiling rates have spiked, causing panic in Parliament. A 12% levy on sarcasm will be backdated to childhood. It's mandatory misery. The anthem now is pay or leave. The pigeons vote, the kids wear suits, and Brexit's just a word they mute. Long live the land of irony, where parody became decree. This nation once was brave and free, now ruled by full-on lunacy. It's mandatory misery. Taxation for thee.